When you have a remote controller for your RC car just like this and the battery is empty, then we're going to show you how to replace the battery here, because it's not quite that obvious. So the new batteries we need are two AAAs, and the only tool we need is something to poke into this red dot that you see here. So sometimes you have a little screw, like a small, really tiny Phillips screw, but in this case you have this little tiny dot that doesn't really make sense at first, but all you have to do is push it in a little bit, then you can remove the cover by sliding it sideways, and then here we have access already to our two depleted AAA batteries. So let's pull those out and replace them with some new ones. Make sure you put them in the right way, right? And then check that this little red dot is aligned correctly, and then all we have to do is slide that cover back in and then give that little red dot another small push so that the cover can slide over it, and then it locks here into position. And at this point we shouldn't be able to open up or slide open the cover again, and our remote control is ready to go again. Yeah, that was already it for this video, so I hope you found this information helpful. If you have trouble with the correct orientation of your AAA batteries, then always remember that the flat surface, the negative side, negative pole, that goes to the side where the little spring is. And then if the other side, the positive side, that's where you have this little bump, that goes towards the flat side in the battery compartment. Yeah, and as I said, again, this was already it for the video. Hope you found it helpful, and I'm just going to let this run a little bit longer. And yeah, if you have any more questions, then leave a message below.